Here's everything I eat in a day on the carnivore diet. I first start with a black cup of coffee, and I like to fast until about 11 a.m. When I say fast, I just mean from dinner time until I wake up in the morning, and then I don't eat until 11 a.m. Now I'm going to break my fast with this Good Culture cottage cheese. It's full fat. I'm going to eat about 1 cup plain. That's about half of this container. I love eating this cottage cheese for breakfast because it's super high in protein. It's 14 grams of protein per half a cup, so 1 cup equals 28 grams of protein. I do about 30 minutes to an hour of Pilates 3 days a week in addition to the carnivore diet. I just finished my workout, so now I'm going to have a little bit more coffee, and then I'm going to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream. I don't do this every day, but sometimes it's a nice treat, and it holds me over until lunch. So I'm using a tablespoon of heavy cream. Now it's time for lunch, so I'm going to eat these Pete and Jerry organic eggs. I usually have about 4 to 5 eggs depending on how hungry I am or how I'm feeling. Also depending on if I worked out. Today I'm only going to have 4 scrambled eggs. With my eggs, I always have these beef sausages. It's the Teton spicy brand. And of course a little bit of cheddar cheese on top with some salt and water. Now it's time for dinner, and this is a super easy one. I'm a mom of 3 kids under 5, so I am very busy, and so quick is always a good thing. I'm first going to start with some parchment paper and put it on this stainless steel pan, and then I'm going to use these organic meatballs. They are also grass-fed organic. I get them from Whole Foods, and I usually use about 2 bags total for my husband and I. Sometimes I use just a little bit less of that second bag because we sometimes don't eat them all. So that's it. I just put them on a pan and put them into the oven. We're also going to have a side of these Teton 100% grass-fed beef hot dogs. These are going to go into the air fryer, and they are a really great side and complement the meatballs. Now I'm just going to pop them into the air fryer for 15 minutes on 390, and I will link the air fryer below if anyone is interested. So now I'm going to make the dipping sauce for the meatballs, which this is a really good addition to the meatballs and gives it a little extra protein and flavor. I'm going to use about half of this container, which is about 3 ounces of feta cheese. Now I'm going to add this plain Greek yogurt into the food processor. I use about 4 heaping tablespoons, and then once you add it in, then you can go ahead and blend it up. Once everything is done, then you can go ahead and add it to a plate and serve it up, and there you go. That's a full day of what I eat on the carnivore diet. Hope that helps. Leave me a comment, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.